Mama.
What happened, Rahul?
I have good news. Where is Dad? I need to tell him.
Dad is busy. You know these are his working hours. You
वो हमेशा busy रहते हैं.
तो क्या हुआ, Rahul?
I need to tell him. It's good news.
No, it's okay. Just let him be. You can talk to him at dinner. हाँ, भेज Rahul.
Papa.
Rahul and asked you not to speak to him.
Please, Papa, I got very good news. I got 95 in literature. My favorite subject, Papa.
95 in literature, Rahul. शर्मा जी के बेटे को 98 आए हैं साइंस में.
But Papa, 95 is so good.
Rahul, act like a man, please. Life does not reward mediocrity. You want rewards for what is expected from you.
Again, he's late.
I know what you're going to say, Anjali.
Papa, you forgot to pick me up today.
Sorry, beta. How did you come home?
Mama picked me up.
You always forget, Rahul, please.
I don't know what to say to you, Anjali. I'm stuck at work. You have to understand something.
You always do not know what to say. You're always stuck at work, and only work. What about the family?
I care about you. I'm
No,
earning
you
a lot.
don't. What is this earning? You have to say what to do about the family or not.
I'm so frustrated. I'm so fed up. सारी जिम्मेदारी मेरे ऊपर. मैं घर पे आता हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम, ऑफिस में जाता हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम. I am done listening to people. And when I come home from a long day, all I have to hear is complaints and what I've done wrong. I can't take it anymore.
Be a good father, Rahul. अच्छे बेटे तो नहीं बन पाए. अच्छा बाप तो बन जाओ.
और ये आप बोल रहे हो? What have you done to be a father in my life?
Mind your tone, Rahul.
You have ignored me all your life. You've never been a present father.
Do not blame me for your failures.
You stole my childhood away.
Life does not always give you things, and if you don't have it, you build it yourself.
I was just a child, and you made me a man before I knew what childhood was.
You think you have it hard? Then toughen up. Act like a man.
Thank you, Anjali.
I know you're struggling a lot, but just remember that you're not alone. That you need some help. And
What do you mean by help?
I've booked your appointment. We'll be going. Don't worry.
What, to counselor?
Yeah.
You think I need therapy?
We all need. It's fine. It's not just you. You're not alone. That you need.
Hi Rahul. Hi Anjali. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I mean, I don't know. She brought me here. I'm feeling very awkward.
I hear you. I know it's difficult, but just know that there is nothing wrong in seeking help. And today we are here not to speak to the Rahul who is a provider, who is a professional, but I just want to talk to Rahul who is real, who is himself. Can you do that?
I don't know who that person is anymore. I don't recognize myself.
We can find him together. And Anjali, you have not spoken yet. What do you feel about all this?
Feel about all this? Asking is literally like skin and bones now.
What do you mean skin and bones? This was me always. I have a stable career. I earn for this family. I can't crack jokes. And you know I'm not some Hrithik Roshan sitting here.
Crack jokes? Do you literally want to know what do we do on our weekends? Like literally when I ask him like what are the plans for the night, he's like, DMart में 25% discount लगा है, चलो घर की चीजें ले आते हैं. And whenever I tell him to go to some party with me, he like invites his other 4 engineer friends with their wives, and literally they just talk and gossip like my aunt. I literally can't sit with
You
them.
knew this always. This was me, and you accepted me before. What happened now?
Our family is literally ruined now.
Ruined? What do you mean ruined? Din raat I'm working for this family only. For our daughter only. You think I like being away from her all day long?
I used to love him, but I really don't know now what to do. I don't.
Seriously?
You used to love him. What happened now? What has changed?
Everything.
What to do, yaar? Sir hasn't responded to all of this since last 5 days. There's a lot on his plate to do. I have to meet him.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So there have been a lot of calls from the client side. They're asking about their updates for next sessions, and you have been continuously not responding to them for the last good 5-4 days. And apart from that, there is a lot on your list to do for like last 4-5 days. You haven't attended anything like your social commitments and other commitments as well.
Think I don't know all this. I am tired. I can't take it anymore. Session after session after session. All I'm doing is listening to people's stories and people crying, and I cannot empathize anymore with anybody. Even I'm a human and I've reached my threshold. I can't.
I understand, sir. I'm so sorry. I'll just do something about it. I'll talk to them, but you please calm down and take your time. Please, sir. I'm so sorry.
Uncle, auntie, I know family therapy does not mean anything to you all. It's not making sense right now, but I want you to know that Rahul needs us. Even a healer needs healing. This mentality of apne dard apne paas rakho needs to go away.
Zoya, I understand what you're saying. That's what I keep thinking about. क्या मैं उसके साथ बहुत हार्श थी? क्या मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंट थी? उसके पापा कभी घर नहीं रहते थे. क्या करूँ मैं जोया? वो अभी भी कुछ समझने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. I really want us to help him.
Auntie, it's never too late. We need to understand that even movies have, said and tried to help us understand this, that बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
Zoya, all this talk therapy and all does not work here. Men do not talk about their feelings. We do not share our problems. Neither did my father ever needed anyone, nor will I, and neither does he.
But Uncle Rahul is not you. Even the strongest of men need help. Sometimes they cannot be strong every time. They need to express their emotions. Or else they turn up like Rahul who need help and the family does not support them.
राहुल और अंजलि ने स्टेप ले लिया है. वो थेरेपी जा रहे हैं और हमें एज अ फैमिली उसको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए.
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. Rahul, Anjali, Mrs. Mehra, Mr. Mehra. I know this is going to be tough and we are all safe here. So just know that this is going to be difficult, but you can all speak what's on your mind. So does anybody wants to share what's on their mind?
I think I'll start now. It's just that family doesn't feel like a family now. Like I was waiting for quite a few days कि अब ठीक होगा after the previous session, but कुछ ठीक ही नहीं हो रहा है. It's just feeling so weird at home.
And you think this is the answer? Sitting here talking about your feelings.
So what do you think suppressing is the answer? We have been passing this from generation to generation. Why do you think, like, do we prefer Rahul sitting in that chair? Strength doesn't mean silence.
Papa, we're not here to break. We're here to heal. Even a healer needs a healer. ये सिर्फ उसके अकेले की लड़ाई नहीं है, हम सबकी लड़ाई है.
Mr. Mehra, this strength that you hold on to is admirable. But your strength, it does not lie in silence. But it lies in choosing to heal. We are all here to heal. This isn't just for Rahul. And Rahul, you have not spoken anything today. Is there something on your mind?
I don't know what to say. I mean, he thinks silence is strength, but that's all that I've been learning. He's been teaching me just that since I was a kid. Bachpan se I've been learning this. That, boys don't cry. So fine, I learned that boys don't cry at a young age. And I've just been suppressing everything. I didn't even realize when I bottled up so much. And now it's reached a point of no return. I don't know what to do. And Papa, I want to know why I chose this profession. Till date he's never asked me why I'm a therapist, why I do what I do. He just doesn't care. He thinks this is a job for girls. But it's because I have been suppressing it for so long. I know what it feels like for other people who can't speak up. This is why I help them.
It's good to have you back. How have things been since our last session?
I don't know about all this talking business and stuff, but I'm trying.
You're trying? That's a good start.
I didn't expect that, Papa. And I appreciate you trying. And I've been seeing that you've been trying.
I'm not there yet, but I'm here.
I think this is what family does. We show up for each other during hard times.
Yes.
So we are kind of happy with the session.
That's all therapy really is.
It feels like a family now.
Yeah, that's all it is about. It's learning how to be there for each other.
Good morning.
Good one.
How are you all doing today?
Just okay.
So I want to ask you all, what exactly brings you all here today?
Do you only want to talk about it? You only the one who got me here.
I feel like my dad, he doesn't understand me at all. He doesn't understand that I need his support. I feel like I've just been left alone all my childhood and I was left to grow up alone.
What? How are you in saying that? Every day she keeps on crying about the same topic.
Do you know why I cry?
No,
Yeah.
I do everything for you. I provide for you. I earn for this family. What else do you want me to
Provide
do?
for me?
Yes.
पैसे से कुछ नहीं होता पापा. I need some emotional support.
जिंदगी एक फिल्म की तरह है. कभी दुख, कभी हंसी, कभी गिरना तो कभी उठना. पहले लगता था कि ताकत दुख छुपाने में है, पर अब मैं ये जान गया हूँ कि हर किसी को कभी ना कभी मदद की ज़रूरत होती है. हीलिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस. ये कोई एक रात का जादू या एक रात का इलाज नहीं. ये तो छोटी छोटी जीतों का सफ़र है. असली ताकत सिर्फ सहने में नहीं, बल्कि वापस आने में है. आज मैं परफेक्ट नहीं, पर आज मैं बेहतर हूँ. और शायद फिल्मों की ही तरह जो हार कर भी नहीं रुकता, वही जीत का असली हकदार होता है.